Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Emanuela. I'm here to tell you about this hair stem. This guy in India called Esteem, Hair Stem. That's the name of the company. It's a raw, natural Indian hair. The hair doesn't shade. You can dial it. You can curl it. I give you 10 years guarantee on this hair. I've been dealing with this guy for over 2 years now. This hair, go buy it, call his number. His number is +19199 413 6664. Go buy yours and call me back later. This hair comes with a closure. Look at it. Everything is natural. No shading, no chemical. It is 100%. 100% is understatement. I give it 1,000,000%. This hair, oh my